November 2, Yankee Delta Delta Mobile.
November 2, Yankee Delta Delta. 06 Golf Radio Lima. As you've already heard, the name here is Jeff. And that was a very, very clear signal from you. I'll give you more on the next round, but it was at least a 5-8. No problem at all. November 2, Yankee Delta Delta. 06 Golf Radio Lima.
Okay, Jeff, ZS6 Golf Radio Lima. This is November 2, Yankee Delta Delta. Jeff, my name is Henry Hotel Echo November Radio Yankee. Henry's the personal here, and my QTH is New York City. I'm in the borough of Queens. I'm parked at the moment. The engine is off in the car, and your signal report, Jeff, from South Africa, you're doing really good on the peaks. I have you S9, on the low end about S3, S5. Really good signal, awesome audio, over.
Roger, and your signal is also very nice. If you could just come back with your name again, I just got Romeo Yankee at the end, and Echo is coming happening. There's a bit of noise in the shack here. But for mobile, you got a very, very good signal. And I don't know how many watts you're putting out, will be interesting, but I'm pushing out 200 watts into a quad, probably about 12 meters high, probably about 36 feet, I suppose. But your signal is very good for mobile. So back to you. Yankee Delta Delta, Z6 Golf Radio Lima.
Okay, Zulu Sierra 6 Golf Radio Lima. This is November 2, Yankee Delta Delta. Yeah, Jeff, my name again is Henry. Hotel Echo November Romeo Yankee. Henry is the personal here. And my working conditions, Jeff, I'm not going to hold you long, but just a small setup. ICOM 7000 mobile rig. A small 4-transistor homebrew amplifier doing about 300 watts. And we're going through an MFJ 945 manual matcher into an MFJ 1956 12-foot whip. So it's a telescopic 2.6 meter or 12-foot whip on top of the car. It's a permanent mount that I can remove when the car is parked. So that's the station here. Over to you, Jeff. Zulu Sierra 6 Germany Radio Lima. This is N2YDD mobile.
Yeah, N2YDD, Z6 Golf Radio Lima. Actually, indeed, I said that time, your signal is very, very good. And from the bottom of Queens in New York City, it's very, very good. And you're running an RC7000. I'm using the RC775 DSP on the side. And as I said, we're running 200 watts into a quad. But anyway, it's a very, very nice chatting to you, Henry, and everything all the best, and drive carefully. And I'm sure your traffic is probably worse than ours. But anyway, I'm sure you know where you're going. Because sometimes out there are so many detours, you don't know where you're going to end up. But okay, Henry, back to you for your final, and thanks for this Tuesday. It's been very nice chatting to you. N2Y Delta Delta, Z6 Golf Radio Lima.
Okay, Jeff, it's been a great pleasure talking to you. I know you have a pile up there, people waiting to speak to you. I just have one last question before we sign off, Jeff. Are you directly in the city of Johannesburg? Over.
Negative. I'm about 20 kilometers west of Johannesburg in Roodepoort. It is between Krugersdorp and Johannesburg. But as I said, I'm about 20 odd kilometers west of Johannesburg, guys.
Okay, QSL, Jeff. Like I said, I greatly appreciate the QSO. I know you have people waiting here. I'll probably upload the video just like I did with the JA station and the Australian station. So I'll look on YouTube. Within a month, you'll see a video uploaded. I'm recording the audio only here. So thank you much, Jeff. Great QSO. I greatly appreciate it. This is awesome from New York Mobile to South Africa. Zulu Sierra 6, Germany Radio Lima. This is N2YDD Mobile 73. Thank you. Zulu Sierra 2 Charlie Radio. This is November 2 Yankee Delta Delta Mobile.
November 2 Yankee Delta Delta. This is Zulu Sierra 2 Charlie Radio. Good evening to you. You're 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is Port Elizabeth. My name is Khalid. So how do you copy? November 2 Yankee Delta Delta. This is Zulu Sierra 2 Charlie Radio.
Okay, Zulu Sierra 2 Charlie Radio, you are also 5557. Colette, you are also 5557. And my location here is New York City. I'm located in New York City, Colette, and my name is Henry, Hotel Echo November Radio Yankee. Again, my name is Henry, Hotel Echo November Radio Yankee. And you are 57 in New York City. I'm station mobile in my car, not far from the Atlantic Ocean in the city of New York. Over.
Roger. November 2 Yankee Delta Delta Mobile from Zulu Sierra 2 Charlie Radio. Good evening to you, Henry, and thank you very much for the 5 and 7. And noted that you're there in New York, Henry. And very nice to work here this evening. There are a lot of stations calling me, so I'm going to keep it short if you don't mind. So I wish you my best 73s and 88s and look forward to working you again. November 2 Yankee Delta Delta Mobile from Zulu Sierra 2 Charlie Radio.
Okay, Colette, likewise. Enjoy working the stations. You definitely have a pile up here. And thank you for the very nice contact from my mobile here in New York City to Port Elizabeth in South Africa. Colette, just one last thing. I'll probably upload this to YouTube. So look under my call sign under QRZ within a month or two to see if there's a video or a recording. Thank you much again for the nice QSO 73ZS2CR from N2YDD Mobile in New York.
Zulu Sierra 2 Yankee.
Zulu Sierra 2 Yankee. This is November 2 Yankee Delta Delta Mobile. November 2 Yankee Delta Delta Mobile.
Roger. November 2 Yankee Delta Delta. Copy 559.
QSL, sir, you are also 55 to 57. Very good signal here from South Africa. Great signal here. My name is Henry, Hotel Echo November Romeo Yankee. Henry is the personal, and you're doing very good here from South Africa in New York City. New York City, over.
Roger. The Henry in New York City. The name this time is Tian. Tango Hotel India Alpha November, and QTH Port Elizabeth from the southeast coast of South Africa. It seems that the conditions tonight is very good, and I must say I probably spent about 2 hours earlier on the normal band just doing some RTTY, and I decided just before going to call it today just see if there's any stations that I can hear on the SSB side of things. So very pleasantly surprised. So to hear that my signal is actually going through nicely. Henry, over to you into Yankee Delta Delta,
ZS2Y, Tian, thank you very much for the information there. Yeah, Tian, I'm actually parked in my car. I'm mobile in New York City. Tian, before we go, I'm just running 300 watts, ICOM 7000, and telescopic whip on top of the car, about 12 feet in length. With that, 73 Tian, thank you much for the pleasant QSO. ZS2Y, this is N2YDD Mobile.
Roger there, Henry, and all the best 73's team, and all my details is you can find on QRZ.com. New York, Nancy 2 Yankee Delta Delta, ZS2Y QRZ.